Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Do you want to download Instagram story of a private account? Well, this video is for you. In this video, we will show you how to download Instagram story of a private account. First of all, you have to open Instagram app from your mobile device. Here you can see stories of several people. You can scroll left to explore more stories. For example, we open this story. The only way to download an Instagram story is to take a screenshot. There is no any possible way to download an Instagram story other than taking a screenshot or screen recording. You can save this screenshot in your mobile device and can share it with your friends and family members and anyone else you want. This is simple and easy way to download Instagram story of a private account. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and also press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.